here we are on the way to our job site. This bathroom remodel is going great, super smooth, no issues whatsoever. Shower is completely boarded up and waterproofed with band. What we're gonna do now is install our Hydro Band topical membrane on the pan, curb, bench, just for extra waterproofing. Might as well, it can't hurt. And then we are going to flood test today. Focus on the subfloor in the bathroom, get it prepped, ready for our Deidre. We're going to finalize the drywall, tape and mud the drywall as well, and just focus on things like that. Pocket door needs to go in today, so we're gonna run over to Home Depot at a lunch break, get ourselves some In-N-Out burgers, get a couple of doors, and then we'll work on that as well. So let's show you what we're gonna do with the Hydro Band. Alrighty, so here we are, again, all waterproofed. We're going to install the Hydro Band topical membrane, curb, pan, up a few inches here, as well as the bench perimeter, just for safe measures. Let it dry, and then we will conduct a flood test. Plenty to do. Prep floor, we can get Deidre in. We have to finish drywall, tape, mud, kind of get that started. But beautiful day, no wind. Knock this out. In-N-Out, cheeseburgers, and then some Home Depot pre-hung doors, as well as our pocket door, which will be framed and installed right here. All right, guys, Hydro Band topical membrane all cured and dried up. We're going to plug the pan and fill this with about 7-8 gallons of water. Flood test, of course, mark it. Make sure it does not fall below the line tomorrow. All right, guys, let's take a look at our shower pan flood test. It is the next day. Looks like everything is holding water as per usual. We've never had a problem, but always good to conduct a flood test. Mark's right there looking good. Mark's right there looking good as well. Let's drain this, dry out the pan, so we can install our cut flat river rock and our tileable drain right there in the middle. We're also going to finalize drywall. We have 2 coats of mud on. We have to button this up. We installed our new freshwater lines for our vanity, relocated our drains as well. We need to button this up. This is for the tub drain. Finalize this, patch up the subfloor, pick up our framed pocket door, install the pocket door so that we can button this up with drywall as well. Prep the subfloor, get some Deidre down. Lots of work to do today. Let's go. All right, what we're gonna do here is spray paint the black ABS drain body so that it blends in. Big contrast with this white river rock with the black. So we're gonna paint it so it all blends in really nice, ties in with our tileable drain. The pan's gonna look great. And there you have it, guys. Pan tile is in, drywall is nearly complete. We're going to install some corner bead, drywall mud, screws, and seams, prep this floor, install our Ditra, and focus on the floor tomorrow. Complete the patch over there, install some drywall here as well. The pocket door is in. We've done a lot today. Everything is coming together. Now it's time to focus on the floor as well as the shower. The fun part begins. Tile, let's go.